Hello, this is Sue. Today we are making the half double crochet. I've already made a foundation chains of 12 chains plus 2. You yarn over and skip the first 2 chains from the hook. Then you insert the hook into the 3rd chain. You yarn over and pull the yarn through the chain stitch. You should now have 3 loops on the hook. To finish this stitch, you yarn over again, pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. That completes one half double crochet stitch. Repeat that sequence into each chain across the foundation chain to complete the row. If you want to see more about these stitches in a full pattern, check out the extended Crochet 101 course. I'm going to dive into the chart symbols, abbreviations, how to read a pattern, and some of the finer points of crochet. At the end of the first half double crochet row, you chain 1. And it's a turning chain and it prepares you for the height of the next row. For all the rows after the foundation, you insert the hook into both loops of the V part of this stitch from the previous row. I usually chain 1 and treat the first stitch in the row like a standing half double crochet because it's less bulky. I will link to the standing half double crochet in the corner and in the description. Now this is where it gets a little weird. Some patterns say chain 2 because half double crochet is 1.5 stitches high. When you chain 2, they often say it counts as a stitch in the pattern, except when it doesn't. So it's whatever the pattern says. It's this way until it's that way, or unless you work out a better way that works for you. It doesn't hurt to try all the ways. Don't worry if your first few stitches look a little bit wonky. That's just part of the process. It really is. This is the same stitch we'll be using to make the can cozy. Keep at it. Check out the rest of the playlist for more skills, and we'll see you in the next lesson.